Why do familiar places feel emotionally safe? The answer is not sentimental, it is neurological. When you enter a familiar place, your brain does not treat it as a simple visual scene. It activates a layered network of memory, identity, and emotional regulation. First, the visual cortex processes the environment. Almost immediately, the hippocampus engages. This region, essential for spatial memory, recognizes patterns in the layout, distances, angles, spatial relationships. But recognition is only the beginning. According to neuroimaging research published in Landscape and Urban Planning, personally meaningful places activate regions associated with autobiographical memory and self-referential processing. In other words, the brain does not register the place as a location, it registers it as part of you. This integration occurs through networks often linked to the default mode network, the system involved when we reflect on ourselves, our past, and our identity. At the same time, another crucial shift happens. The amygdala, the brain's threat detection system, reduces its vigilance. In unfamiliar environments, the amygdala remains alert, scanning for unpredictability. Novelty demands caution. But familiarity signals continuity. Predictability reduces perceived threat. As a result, stress-related activation decreases. The nervous system shifts away from defensive monitoring and toward regulation. There is also a reduction in cognitive load. Unfamiliar places require constant processing, mapping exits, assessing risks, interpreting social signals. Familiar places require far less neural effort. The brain conserves energy. What emerges is not just comfort. It is a coordinated neural response. Recognition, identity integration, reduced threat monitoring, lower cognitive demand. Emotional safety, then, is not merely the absence of danger. It is the presence of continuity between environment and self. That is why home does not simply look safe, it feels like an extension of who you are.